Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Leos. So let's start with the cards for your general energies. We have child, house and ring. So in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are feeling deeply responsible, dedicated or devoted to your work, or it may be your emotions in your relationship. You feel devoted to this person, dedicated, committed. You want commitment with this person or they want commitment with you, and you are moving towards a greater responsibility in your situation, and there are opportunities coming towards you. It may be new projects or assignments in your work situation or some kind of an opportunity in your relationship. Maybe you feel really connected with this person and you are thinking of marriage or engagement with them, and you both share a deep understanding, a beautiful bond with each other, and you want a family. Maybe you are planning to start a family, have a child together, and overall, guys, let it be in your career situation or in your relationship, your circumstance is stabilizing. Maybe you feel really strengthened, powerful today. Things are going in a positive way in your career situation, and even in your relationship, things are just as you expect. So you feel really confident, strengthened by your situation, and determined to reach your goals, and it is making you feel more inspired. The positive changes or the positive things unfolding in your life today. Maybe you are having a child together, so some beautiful positive changes. It's making you more cheerful and happy, guys. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So with this card, it just means that you know this person deeply. Maybe they are revealing their secrets to you. They want to tell you everything about them, and they love you. They have deep trust on you. That is the reason they are telling you their secrets, or they want to tell you everything from their past, and they do not want to hold back anything because they love you and they trust you. And this relationship, maybe for some of you Leos, this person, they may be your twin flame or a soul mate. That may be the reason for this deep connection, and we have a beautiful cards pointing out towards the deep meaningful bond you both share in this love, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Anchor. So again, in your career situation, you are celebrating some success, something, some small success has reached you before the final result. So it may be what to say, a beginning of a successful journey, and you are celebrating it today, guys, Leos. So a very positive set of cards here, guys, Leos. So looks like in your situation you are feeling happy, content. That is what I see. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment. And this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation, and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship. Whatever it is, this angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to what to say, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative, you want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.